Well, dear students, let's continue from where we stopped in the previous class. Consider the statements given below regarding contraception. Medical termination of pregnancy, that is MTP, during first trimester generally safe. B. Generally chances of conception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years, he says. In fact, we have told that it is from 4 to 6 months. So option B is not correct. Option C. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. Option D. Contraception pills may be taken up to 1 week after coitus to prevent conceptions. So option A, that is nothing but medical termination of pregnancy, that is MTP or abortion, is during the first trimester generally safe, is the correct option for 51 question A. That we have done already. So let's continue. Next question. What is the full form of AIDS? You all very well know, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. 52nd question, option A is the answer. Then, which one is the natural method of avoiding chances of ovum and sperm meeting? A. Periodic abstinence. B. IUDs. C. Vasectomy. D. Tubectomy. Which one is the natural method of avoiding chance of ovum and sperm mating or meeting? That is known as periodic abstinence. What do you mean by that? In that period, unsafe period, you should avoid sexual contact. What is known as periodic abstinence? Option A is correct. Next, which of the following is not a STD, not a sexually transmitted disease? AIDS is sexually transmitted disease. Syphilis, of course. Gonorrhea, yes indeed. D option, cancer, is not a sexually transmitted disease. So option D for 54th question is the correct answer. Next, 55th question. In which year Government of India legalized medical termination of pregnancy, that is MTP? You all very well know it is 1971. Next question, again same answer. In which year MTP was legalized in India? Again 1971. A option for 56. Moving on, the next question, 57th question. The test tube baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. Intrauterine insemination, IUI. Then gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT. Then zygote intrafallopian transfer, ZIFT. Zygote, because IVF is in vitro fertilization. So this option D is correct answer. Next one, for 58th question. Read the following 4 statements and mark the option that has both correct statements. MTP was legalized in 1971. Correct statement. Inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. Correct definition, correct statement. So far A and B, first and second statements are correct. Third, surgical method of contraception prevents gamete formation. No way. Surgical method of contraception only prevents the passage of the gametes, but formation of gametes do take place. That's the wrong statement. Fourth statement, MTPs are relatively safe up to 14 weeks of pregnancy. In fact, wrong statement, because till 12 weeks of pregnancy or 3 months of pregnancy or first trimester, it is considered as very safe. So third and fourth statements are wrong. Let's go for the answers. Option A, 1 and 2 statements are correct. Option B, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C, 3 and 4 are correct. Option D, 1 and 3 are correct. You all know it is statement 1 and 2. Option A is correct. Next, consider the statement given below regarding the contraception and answer the directed thereafter. So here, medical termination of pregnancy, MTP during first trimester generally safe. It's a repeated question. Generally chances of conception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. Fourth statement, contraception pill may be taken up to 1 week after coitus, not 1 week, within 3 days or 72 hours. So here option A says 1 and 2 are correct, which is wrong. Option B says 2 and 3 are correct, that is wrong. Option C says 3 and 4 statement are wrong, are correct, that is also wrong option. So the correct answer is D. That is nothing but first and third statements are correct. What is the first statement? Medical termination of pregnancy during first trimester generally safe. First statement is correct. Then third statement, intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. First and third statement are correct. Option D is the correct answer. Moving on to 60th question. Choose the correct statement. According to the WHO, reproductive health is total well-being in physical, social, emotional, behavioral aspects of reproduction. Correct statement. Then second statement, According to WHO, reproductive health is total well-being in physical, social, emotional aspects of reproduction. Here he has missed one aspect, so that statement is not correct. Third statement, a reproductively healthy society has people with physical and functional normal reproductive organs. Statement is correct. Fourth statement, reproductively healthy societies have abnormal sex-related emotional and behavioral interactions. Wrong statement. So here out of these four, as we have understood, we have seen first and third statement are correct. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Reproductive health in society can be improved by first statement, introduction of sex education in schools, correct. Next, increased medical assistance, also correct. Next, awareness about contraception and STDs, also correct statement. Next, equal opportunities to male and female child, correct statement. Ban on amniocentesis, correct statement. Sixth says encouraging myths and misconceptions. Sixth statement is the only statement which is wrong. He says encouraging, fine. We should discourage myths and misconceptions. So out of these six statements, first five statements are correct. Hence option C that says 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 statements are correct is the correct answer for 61st question. C option is correct. Next question. To avoid the transmission of STDs, what we should do? Number 1, avoid sex with multiple partners, correct. Always have unprotected sex to prevent, wrong statement. Third, use condoms during coitus, correct statement. Fourth, avoid sex with unknown partners, correct statement. Next, fifth, avoid sharing of needles, also correct statement. So option B, that says 1, first, third, fourth and fifth statements are correct is the right answer, B option. Next, what is the figure given, the diagram given below, showing in particular? This diagram is given here. You all very well know it's a diagram of female reproductive system where the oviducts or fallopian tubes are cut and tied is a process known as, of course, correct, tubectomy. Option C is correct. Next, last question, last but one. Which of the following option is correct regarding the diagram given below? The diagram given here, you can see here, the given diagram in NCERT book also it is given. Fine. So it is a device made up of rubber, wrong. That is a condom. It is a device made up of thin rubber. That's also wrong statement. This device is inserted by doctor. It's not copper T. So fourth statement D is, it is a set of 6 small plastic capsules called implants which are placed under the skin of the woman's upper arm. It contains estrogen. Is the correct statement D. Fine. So that's for 64th question, D option. Last question, the copper ions of IUDs. Option A, suppress the motility and fertilization capacity of sperms. B, make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. C, increase phagocytosis of sperms. D, make cervix hostile for sperms. No. Clear? So option A, suppress the motility and fertilization capacity of sperms is the correct answer. Clear? Out of these questions, go through this once again. I will upload now. And apart from this, any other questions you have any doubts, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care. In my next class, I will do the synopsis of 8th chapter, human health and diseases. Then we'll take up the questions. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care.